Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to turn off security delay in progress in iPhone. Alright, let's begin. Now, when you try to make any changes about sensitive settings, you see a security delay. In order to turn it off, make sure to update your mobile device to the latest version. For that, open the Settings app and access General. Inside it, open Software Update and see if an update is available. After updating the device, get back to the Settings home and access the Screen Time feature. Next, scroll down to the Content and Privacy Restrictions feature and access it. After that, make sure to turn off Content and Privacy Restrictions. Next, get back to the Settings homepage and access the Face ID tab by entering your passcode. Inside it, scroll down to the bottom and make sure to disable Stolen Device Protection. After doing so, you will need to wait 1 hour to make this decision. So that's basically how you can turn off security delay in progress in iPhone. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.